In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1099-R from Charles Schwab. If you took money out of a retirement account last year, like a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or a 401k held at Schwab, you should receive a Form 1099-R. This tax form reports your distribution to you and the IRS, and you'll typically need it when you file your taxes. Schwab issues it for withdrawals and distributions, and it's generally available by January 31 each year. The fastest and most reliable way to get it is online. Start by logging into your Schwab account. From the main navigation, go to Accounts, then choose Statements and Tax Forms. That takes you to your 1099 dashboard. This dashboard is the hub for all your tax documents, so it's a great place to check throughout tax season. Next, select the account that had the retirement distribution. If you have more than one IRA or retirement account, make sure you pick the correct one for the year you took the withdrawal. Once your account is selected, look for Form 1099-R and click Download to get the PDF. Save the file somewhere you'll remember, and consider renaming it with the tax year and account so it's easy to find later. If the form isn't ready yet, the dashboard may show it as pending. Just check back later. If you prefer not to download it, Schwab also sends forms out by January 31st. If you're set to paperless, you'll receive an email letting you know the form is available online. If you opted for mail, a paper copy will be sent to your address on file. Mailed forms can take a bit longer to arrive, so keep an eye on your mailbox, and if you use email notifications, check your spam or promotions folders too. If you can't find your 1099-R at all, here are the most common reasons. First, you might not have taken a retirement withdrawal for that tax year, so no form was generated. Second, it may not be available yet. Look for a pending status on the 1099 dashboard. Third, you might have the wrong account or tax year selected, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Make sure you're viewing the retirement account that had the distribution and confirm the correct calendar year. If you've checked all of that and you still can't locate it, reach out to Schwab support through the contact options in your account or on their website. They can confirm availability and help you access the correct document. That's it. Quick, secure, and ready for tax time.